In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download all songs on your Spotify Wrapped. Downloading all songs from your Spotify Wrapped playlist ensures you have offline access to the music that defined your year, preserving your top tracks even if your tastes or playlists change. To do this, simply head to Spotify. You will want to tap onto Wrapped. Now head to your Top Songs 2024. This is the top 100 songs list. To download them all, simply tap onto these three dots right here. Select Download. Your Spotify Wrapped songs will automatically download. To access this feature, you must have subscribed to Spotify Premium. Well, that's how easy it is to download all songs on your Spotify Wrapped. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.